supposed to come off. More or less, that's pretty good. Alright, so let's do a comparison. So if we look at on page 293 to what we have here, we still have the spinal cord, right? We still have the medulla oblongata, I still have the pons. Now I have these structures here, which here, these are what they call cerebral peduncles. Cerebral peduncle here and here. Now these larger structures are important because that's going to help us identify these nerves. Like there's a nerve here, and there's a nerve here. Okay. The mammillary body here, and then this is also where the stalk of the pituitary gland, which we cut off a minute ago, which is here's our pituitary gland. The stalk is the infundibulum. We cut that here. Okay. All right. So what else do we have on this? Can you turn the page that way? All right. So this is pretty good on page 294 for identifying the nerves. Remember, on occasion, our trusty truck acts funny, very good vehicle. Anyhow, on, olfactory. Olfactory and olfactory. Remember, bilateral symmetry, which means I cut it down, mid-sagittal section. Everything on the left should be the same as the right. So that's olfactory. On occasion, occasion is optic, here and here. Remember, they went through the optic canals. On occasion, our oculomotor. If you look at oculomotor, it comes here off these cerebral peduncles, so they show it here and here. Remember the cerebral peduncles? Here and here. And there's the oculomotor. There. Now, so we're actually looking here on the cranial nerves list, on occasion, our, and you'll see a number of these have an important part in working with the eye itself. So oculomotor, movement of eyes. Various eye muscles involved. So olfactory, optic, oculomotor, on occasion, our trusty is trochlear here, and those are fairly small, and they come lateral from the pons. So medulla oblongata and pons, and I did cut one. Let's see if it retracted. I did see it. And even being that careful, looks like it got pulled off. Alright, so here we have on occasion our trusty truck. So we had olfactory, right? Then we had which one?
Optic.
Optic. And then we had oculomotor, on occasion our trusty, which was trochlear, on occasion our trusty truck. Now the next one is going to be fairly big. It's this trigeminal that we already cut. See how large this is here? This big one there. Here's the base of it. Now that was this here. So this huge here and here. That's the trigeminal. In between those is where we had our pituitary gland, here, the master gland of the body. So trigeminal conveys sensory impulses, has motor nerves for mastication, which is chewing, innervates lateral rectus muscles for eye as well. So it's trigeminal has more than just one function. On occasion, our trusty truck acts, and we have abducens. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That would be the last one you're going to do on the sheep brain. Now, abducens, you'll see when you look at the medulla oblongata, which is this first bump here, so the spinal cord, medulla oblongata, and on that, towards the mid part, you'll see the abducens. And that's what we can see on this one, here and here. So we got them on both sides. Abducens innervates part of the rectus. So here and here. So those stayed on really well. The only one we lost was the trochlear, which would. Well, there's a little bit of it right there. There we go. We got all of them here. See that? See how small that is? So we'll do all those again, the 6 cranial nerves here. There are 12 pairs of cranial nerves. We're going to do 6 on the sheep brain. This is the olfactory. Let's try that again. This is the which one? Olfactory. This is the which one?
Optic.
Optic. And where they cross is called the optic chiasm. So let's try that again. This is the what? Olfactory. This is the optic. And where they cross is the optic chiasm. Okay. So on occasion, our next one is here. That's the oculomotor. Oculomotor. Let's try that again. Olfactory, optic, oculomotor, and then we had
trochlear.
Let's see that so fast. Where'd it go? Here, yep. Trochlear. Okay. On occasion, our trusty truck. That's the trigeminal. Here. And here.
Something.
Abducens is the next one. Let's try that again. What is this one here?
The trigeminal.
Trigeminal. Trigeminal. Is that a cranial nerve? Yes, it is. Cranial implying the brain. And what's this one here?
Abducens.
Abducens. Okay, this is what again?
Trigeminal.
Trigeminal and
Abducens.
abducens. And this one is the what?
The olfactory or oculomotor. That's it.
Right, oculomotor.
Olfactory.
Okay. Olfactory is this one here.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, let's try that again. Make sure everyone has these. This is the what? Here? Abducens. All right, everyone try to say that. Abducens.
Abducens.
And this one? Trigeminal. Everyone try that one. Trigeminal.
Trigeminal.
All right, go back to this one. This one's the what?
Abducens.
Abducens. And this one is the
Trigeminal.
trigeminal. And this one is the oculomotor. Try that one again.
Oculomotor.
Oculomotor. Okay, and this one again over here?
The trigeminal.
Nope.
No, it's the abducens.
Abducens. That's trigeminal over here. All right. Okay. So this is the abducens, trigeminal, oculomotor. Okay. Or you can say oculomotor. Doesn't really matter. All right. So again, this is the abducens. This is the trigeminal. This is the oculomotor. The smaller one coming laterally is the trochlear. This is the optic. This is the olfactory. How many cranial nerves are there?
12 pairs.
12 pairs. So in truth there would be 24, right? How many are we going to identify in the brain?
6.
6. All right, so then we've done a good part